This is Dedham. It's an area of outstanding natural beauty and was home to one of Britain's most acclaimed artists, John Constable. Constable's landscapes showcase the River Stour and its stunning surroundings. He was born here, lived here, and made most of his artwork here.
Constable became an artist, a lot because of the landscape that we see around us here. What made him become a painter, I think, was that the love of nature, that he had a deep love of nature. I mean, this scene now you can see behind me at Dedham is exactly the kind of scene that Constable would have painted, and he may well have painted this scene. The River Stour was hugely important to Constable. It was actually part of him. It was where he was born by the river. It ran through him. Constable was quite unique in the way he painted. I mean, something that you think of the Impressionists wanting to capture, that a particular time, a particular light, was something that he wanted to do, and he would do that through quick sketches. But within his works too, he used texture much more. At a time when a very polished surface was something that was highly regarded, to kind of evoke that sense of nature and drama in nature. British landscape painting in the early 18th century didn't really exist to a great deal as a school of painting. If you ask somebody in the street now what they consider to be British landscape painting, I think they probably would all say Constable.
It's no wonder that Constable took up painting, because the landscapes in Dedham still impress to this day. Now, I'm no Constable, but I was so inspired that I thought I'd give it a go for myself. What do you think?